We've been talking about perimeter and area. Remember, perimeter is when you plus or add all the sides, and that is the area or the around, measuring around a shape, and area is measuring in the shape. Don't forget, don't get those two things confused. So today you can follow along in Journal 129 or slide number 2. It says drawing dog pens. Brandy made drawings of her 2 dog pens. She measured the total length of each pen's fence in feet. In her drawings, each square represents 1 square foot. So this is not inches or yards, it is feet. So that when we are doing perimeter area, it's a type of measurement. So you can see pen A is right here, and pen B is right here. And then she made it into squares so we could see measuring in square feet. So this is pen A, the same as that one, and pen B, which is the same as this one. So we're going to do some problems and look at pen A and pen B. I'm going to go to the next slide here. All right, calculating the perimeter and area of each pen. Record the measure using appropriate units. So we're doing feet. So perimeter, think of perimeter. Perimeter is the outside, area is the inside. So let's go to pen A first of all. So remember, perimeter is the outside. And what I like to do so I don't get confused is kind of mark the outside. So 1, you can go around and count all the outside. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, I'm going to write that down for my perimeter right here, 20 feet. As you can see, there is 5 on this side, which means that there's 5 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 on this side and 5 on this side. So if you add those up, 5, 10, 15, 20 feet. All right, now we're going to find the area of the pen A, which is the inside. So we can count the little squares inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So the area is 25. Now, the formula for area is times. So you could have just said 5 times 5. Instead of counting all those, you could have just gone, oh, I know 5 times 5. I can count by 5s 5 times, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And there we go. Now pen B, we're doing the same thing. Perimeter is around the shape. So we're going to count around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There we go. Oh, it's the same as the pen A. And of course, the unit is feet. So we got to write feet. FT is short for feet. All right. And then the inside is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It's a little different than the first pen. And we'll put SQ for square and then feet. Okay, those are abbreviations for square feet. Now, we could go, oh, there's 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares. And if you know your times, 3 times 7 is 21. It's the same as 7 plus 7 plus 7. It's 21. So that's another way to get it. Now, if you notice something, do you notice that the perimeter is the same on both of these shapes? This is a square shape and this is a rectangle shape, but the perimeter is the same. There is 20 around this shape and there is 20 around this shape. So we can have two different shapes with the same amount of perimeter. Look at that. Something to remember for what we're going to do next. All right, let's do the last thing. It says, what shape are the pens? Look at pen A. What shape is this pen? So A, I'm going to write, oh, well, I better put my pen here. A is a what? I'm going to put A equals a square. Hard to write with this, I know. And B is, what shape is B? A rectangle. My letters are all over the place here. Tangle. Those are the shapes. They have the same perimeter and different shapes.